Hi friends, it's Liz here. So today I have a few things to share with you. I have my items from Inloveartshop that I will be showing you what I received and what I've made, and also some samples of how the items look. And I'm also going to be drawing for the winner of the MUNBYN camera. I had that giveaway just after the stationary pal one. And so I've looked at the names, I've done the draw, so I will be doing that shortly. I did want to mention that in today's video, I'm starting something new on my channel, and that is when I have an unboxing or a project share from a design team, I'm going to be giving you, my subscribers, the option of winning something that I have made in the video. So stay tuned for the end of the video to get more details on that. But I'll start first with the draw, the winner's name, and then we'll begin with the InLoveArtshop unboxing. So the winner of the MUNBYN Kids camera is Cheryl, and I'm so sorry, I don't want to say your name wrong. That is Cheryl right there. So congratulations, Cheryl. The one of the requirements to enter was that you had to live either in the US or Canada. If that doesn't happen to be the case, then I'll have to draw another name because I don't know where you live at this point. But that was one of the ways to qualify. Okay, so congratulations, Cheryl. I'll be having some more giveaways for sure as the days come. I was so excited to have that giveaway, the 2 giveaways in December. Okay, so getting started. One of the things that I picked up this time is a stencil, and it's got like the snowflakes. And I haven't used this in a project yet, but I think this is just perfect to add to any of your, paper designs and projects. I will have a link in a description box below to everything I've used. And also everything I've shown you, as well as a discount code that you can use if you decide to purchase something. So this is in no particular order because I've just I'm doing things a little bit different. And so I'm just going to show you what is on my page. So you can see that I've started organizing myself a little bit better with my dies and how they come out. I think this is just easier for me to kind of see what I have. So we'll start with the small lawn and love mailbox tag. That's what this is called. And so you can see here it's like a little mailbox, and it comes with like the little grass, the pole, and then the piece of the metal box that you can add on top so that you can stick the little envelope in. It has the cutest little envelope. Can you see that there? Oh my goodness. So that's the first thing that I grabbed. The next thing that I grabbed is this little house set. It's called the Lovely House and Surrounding Decor, and that is this one here. It comes with the little house, the grass, the sun, and a couple of clouds, as you can see there, and the sun has the little piece that pops out. So I thought that was really cute. I did use the house in a project, and I'll show you that after. I'll get to the projects after because otherwise I confuse myself the whole time. The other thing that I picked up this time is the word dies, and I have the hello, which is nice and large, and I love the script for the hello. I picked up a happy birthday one, which is right here, and the happy birthday one comes with the backing for it, so you actually have like dimension with it, which is really nice. And then I also have the thank you, which is right here. And again, I love the script, and these dies cut so beautifully, my friends. They're just lovely the way they cut. I'm just gonna put the name over here because it keeps coming back to me. And then the next set that I picked up, I'll show you right here, is the Stackable hearts. And this is how many come in the set. And I love the fact that they have the, the design almost like a doily on the edges. So it's really nice, and you get like the stitching look to it. So it looks like you've actually stitched on them. I think it's just really a nice detail to a die. The next one, I'm just going to grab it here. There's two here. So this one is a foldable album frame. That's what it's called. It comes with the part that you fold, the mechanism. And then these, you're supposed to die cut 2 of them to make the pop-up part of the frame. So it only comes with these 2, which means you have to make your own, I guess, card for inserting these pieces. And I'll show you what I mean by that in a minute. The next thing that I picked up, let's see if I can find it here, is it's called the Creative Camera Border. And also it has the stitching. I don't know if you can see that here. It has this lovely stitching to it. And then the center pops out. So you can kind of make it into a shaker if you wanted to. And then the next set is these, what they're calling them simple stackable cutting dies. And it comes in a set of 5. And so what I really liked about them as well is the stitching detail, which always I think is just lovely. But then I also like that the negative also has stitching on it. So if you wanted to use the negative for something, if you cut it out properly, then you could have 2 pieces that you can work with, which I think is really lovely. So you can see how it actually left the stitching on the negative. I thought that was quite interesting. And then the last one I picked up, which I don't have a sample of, but I will show you soon, is the little bag. I don't know if they call it bag or pocket, but I will link that. I will have the name here on the screen. You need to cut out 2 to make the little bag. I really like this die. Again, they cut so beautifully, so easy to use. And let me just show you the projects I have made with them. So let me know if you like this way of the pace for the video. Sometimes what I've done before is I've shown you the die and then I've shown you what I've done with it, but sometimes it combines so many that it gets a little confusing. So I thought what I would do this time is just show you the actual dies or the items that I received and then the projects that I've done with them. So I'll start with the little bag because like I said, I didn't have another sample to show you on how to put this together, but I think it's so adorable. So you can see how cute it is. And it's not a large bag, so it's super cute because you can add like a little gift card in it. So it measures about 4.5 by 3. And like I said, you have to cut 2 pieces out in order to make the little bag, but it comes with all the little score lines where you bend everything together and make the little bag. So I also included on top as like a decoration 3 of the nesting hearts, and like I said, you can see the lovely lace detail on that. I love it. Now the papers I used for the little bag are from Digital Collage Club. I super love the little snowman, and then I also used the little Santa Claus with reindeer paper from the set, and I just made sure that I had the little reindeer face there on the front. So I thought that was super cute. The next project was the little camera that I showed you, and what I decided to do with the camera is it could just kind of hang from a tree as an ornament. You know, you can do so much with it, but I just wanted to sort of embellish it a little bit. I did make a little rosette for it, and then here on the front I just added a little cute gnome. Again, this is from a set from Digital Collage Club. I super love those. They're so cute. Now those come larger, but I trimmed it so that I can kind of fit it onto the little camera. I thought that was just so cute. Okay, so my next project that I wanted to show you is that pop out card design that I was talking about. So it's this foldable album frame, they call it, the 3D one. So it only comes with the inside, as I mentioned. So I made my little base card for it, and this was just sort of to try out how it was going to look. I used 2 of the pieces from those nesting dies, and like I said, look how lovely the detail of the faux stitching looks on that. Okay, so then you open that up, and that's how your mechanism works. And so what I did here, I just added a couple of pieces, you know, ho, 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 Merry Christmas, and the 25th. And then, like I said, all it does is give you the mechanism to put it together. So that's what the mechanism is for, the 3D foldable album. I made a tiny little card with it. This card is really only about 3 1/4 by almost 4, not even quite 4. And you can see just how perfect the mechanism fits within this small frame. But of course, you know, you play around with it, you can make your own thing. The next things that I did, I thought were just really fun to make. I made some bag toppers again, and these ones, so I'll just kind of walk you through what I did with them. Super easy. I did show you in a previous video how easy I make these bag toppers, but for this one I use the stackable dies, and I'm not sure, maybe you can see it better on this side. You can see the stitching there. So what I did is I took one of the large stackable dies and I folded it in half. Let's just see if I can find it. And so I took the largest one and then I folded it to make, you know, the back topper. And I like that it has the stitching, but also like a nice little edge to it. I don't know, it just finishes it off nicely. And then I made another one with the littlest one, or the second smallest one. And then again, I folded that over so that it kind of had like a little double piece. The Merry Christmas is from an entire set of sentiments from Digital Collage Club, and they were just so perfect for, you know, what I'm working on, because right now I'm just adding sentiments to things, and that's perfect. And then I just wanted to kind of pop it up a little bit, so I added this cute little foam glittery dot that I think just kind of brings it out. Anyways, I thought that was super cute. And do I have a bag? I wanted to show you how it looks on a bag, but I think I moved my bag somewhere. The next one that I have here is another bag topper, and this one I used the happy birthday embellishment that I showed you, the sentiment. And like I said, it has the background, sort of like the shadow to it, which I think is so nice. I actually am looking for so many dies right now, or sentiments with a little shadow, because I think it just makes it pop a little bit more. I did use foam to pop it up a little bit, so I die cut the happy birthday on foam, and then I added the actual scrapbook paper to it. So you can see it looks like almost seamless how it turned out. So it was really cute. I did have to use my little tools to kind of, you know, put it together, because it's just so tricky and hard to hold all the pieces. And if you did see my unboxing, these I got from Stationery Pal. And then I added the hearts. So I did punch out the hearts as well from the nesting die sets. And these ones I did in glitter cardstock. And the part here, the actual background to this is again that nesting die here. And I just added it almost like as a base for my happy birthday. And again, loving that stitching. So I think this would just be so cute, you know, to put on a little gift bag for someone. I don't know, I really like that one. And then the next one I did was a little Christmas card. And you can see I tried to make like half a shaker. I have shown you again in a video how I make my super easy shakers. You don't need any real, you know, fancy tools for them. So I made this one. I used the little house from the house set, and then I did add some of that Wink of Stella, but I'm not sure if it kind of came out or not, if you can even see it. And then the background paper and the Merry Christmas is again from Digital Collage Club, and I really love how cute the little snow people are. And look, I don't know if you can see him, but I've kind of made one to kind of peek out of the window. Anyways, I really had so much fun. I have to finish the card, but I really liked how it looked. And then the last thing, nothing fancy, I just want to show you the die cut itself for the 3D pop-up. The way that it cuts out the actual insert pages, it kind of looks like this, right? So it kind of looks like it's got this little extra piece, and it's what you're supposed to stick together to kind of make it pop up. But what I thought when I first looked at it is it looked like a little file folder. Oh my gosh, right? So anyways, I just thought it looked like the cutest little file folder. And I just wanted to show you that because I thought it was so cute. I think I'm definitely going to use these in some projects and kind of stick them in as like, you know, little note cards, etc. So my friends, I hope you've enjoyed the shares. Let me know which project you liked best, and I will draw your name. Once my video reaches like 1,000 views, I think it just makes it easier for me than trying to come up with dates right now because I just can't keep up. So once it reaches 1,000 views, I will pick a name from the comments, and you get to pick what item you would like for me to send. So what I'll do is I'll send you the pieces to make it yourself. So let's say you wanted to, you like this the best and you wanted to make this, I will send you the base pieces so that you can make it yourself. Okay, so that's what I'll try and do with everything. If it is something that has a specific design paper, so for example, this one with Digital Collage Club, I won't be sending the paper because, you know, that's like their shop's paper, but I'll be sending you a coordinating paper from my kit. I have a holiday kit right now out as well called Oh Joy, and I will make the bases with mine as well the best I can. I will ask Digital Collage Club if it's possible to kind of print it out and send it out if they're okay with that. But if not, I'll do it from my own collection. So I hope that's okay, because I just don't want to infringe on someone's, you know, work of sending you something. But I think I'm allowed if I've crafted it. I'm not sure. Anyways, I will check on that. But, you know, pick which ones you like, what your favorite one was. Let me know below which one it was, where you are watching me from. And, yeah, and you'll be entered for a chance to win one of the little kits to make one yourself. And with something like this, I probably won't have a lot of the same pieces, but I'll send you something similar so that you could make something yourself that's you know, that's very close to it, at least for the dies, etc. Check out InLoveArtshop. They have excellent items. I really do enjoy working with their items. Use that coupon code if you're purchasing. There's always free shipping, I think, if you buy over $25. And yeah, anyways, my friends, thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.